According to the Florida International University study, during the pandemic, over 30% of households had no internet subscription. With the growing need of internet access for work and school, today we are going to visit our Cybrarium to find out how they lowered the rate in the digital divide.
My name is Rino Landa, Rino-Landa, and I'm the Cybrarium's director. The Cybrarium is really what we like to think of as the future of public libraries. It's a fusion of traditional books, media, DVDs, and also technology like virtual reality, and also spaces that really inspire and engage the public, like our children's theater. But the digital divide is something that's very much in the forefront of what we think when designing libraries today, and that was key to the Cybrarium. So the whole concept was bringing in traditional, so books, and technology, the cyber aspect of it, and that all goes together with the digital divide. To fight against that, especially starting young, we try to expose kids not only to the technologies they might not have access to, say the computers we have access to here. We have the virtual reality stations, which again is technology that most families can't afford, which each headset costing over $2,000. That's all aspects of it, but really beyond that, it's in our classes, programs, and events where we try to kind of not only provide the technology, but also teach the skills necessary to bridge that digital divide. Additionally, we have other services like our hotspots that kids can take home, families can take home, so that way they have access at home for internet, studies, and it extends to our digital collections like our ebooks, the audiobooks, movies, where they can access that all for free through their Cybrarium card, through their public library here in Homestead, and really keep those skills going when they leave us. Because the whole goal is for them to come here, get started, and then keep going as they grow older, as they go through school, to kind of keep building those skills that they might have started off just having fun at the library, in this case the Cybrarium.
Thanks to the Cybrarium, I had the opportunity to see firsthand how they are lowering the rate of the digital divide. As a result of the many different tools, events, and workshops that they provided to the community, the digital divide will hopefully be reduced or eliminated.